So, good evening, everyone. MRL, before I start, could you please let me know how long will be this session? Is 1.5 hours? What time I am aiming to finish? I cannot hear you.
What about now? Okay. The session is 90 minutes, please.
90 minutes.
Yes.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so let me share my screen.
Okay, let me make it.
Yeah, just make it my host.
Okay, you are not a co-host.
I'm just sharing now. 1 second. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see.
Okay. Should I start? Can you hear me properly?
Yes.
Okay. So, good evening, everyone. I'm here today to give you some ideas about Wakelet. And 1 second. I will be teaching some practical lessons on Wakelet also, and I'll be giving you a complete idea how Wakelet works. I'm not sure whether you have heard before about the digital tool Wakelet. Wakelet is a digital content management tool. That means you can create your lesson, your classroom lessons, or your lesson plan. You can make newsletter. You can make your presentation. You can do research activities. So lots of ways you can use Wakelet for your educational purpose. And for that, I'm here today to give you an idea how you can use Wakelet in your classroom. And I will be teaching you how you can create your content, and it will be a practical teaching. So I will be share my screen, the Wakelet, my account, and then I will be showing my the content that I have made in Wakelet and the ways how you will be creating the content. So moving forward, Wakelet, you can see, is a one platform for infinite possibilities. I'm going to talk about what are the possibilities like. 1 second, I'm having some problem. Yeah. So you can you can make your newsletter if you want. You can make a whole school newsletter, it's up to you. Or you can make your classroom newsletters, and your students and teachers, they can collaborate and make a collective newsletter for your school or for your classroom. You can make group project. For example, if you are giving any project or any research project to your students, and then all the students can work together on single project and make a group project. For example, you are teaching any subject like World War I or World War II, and you are asking your students to make a project all together, and then this Wakelet tool will be a good examples that you can make a good group project report. You can make your lesson plan. If you are teaching any lesson, then you can make your lesson plan, and then you can share the lesson plans with other teacher. If you are collaborating with other teachers for making a lesson plan, then you can collaborate with same lesson plan in Wakelet. You can create a reading list. For example, in specific topic, you are creating a reading list. For example, a geography, you are teaching geography, and then you are creating a reading list on rivers, various rivers throughout the world. And then you are collecting some of the documents like books, journal articles, or any
Recording?
other sources of
Baki da recording too. Amma then
any other sources, then you can make a reading list.
Kina ji amma? Eh?
Emerald, could you please
Amma ita kada yake gani ko?
Emerald, could you please mute the participant? I'm getting extra noise. If you want,
participants wait so that
Emerald, it will be great if you could mute the participants.
Participants. One Google account sign in.
Okay, so as I was talking about, then what are the ways you can use Wakelets in your classroom? For example, I have given like newsletters, group project, lesson plan, reading list. You can make it. You can tell your students to make a research project. You can do assignments in a Wakelet, and you can make portfolio. So portfolio is very important whenever any students, or is applicable for you as well, when you are going for any job interview, or whenever you are sending your CV or your cover letter for applying any jobs. That time portfolio is very important. So you can make your portfolio as well in the Wakelet. So the thing I have talked about now, I'm going to show you how it will, how it looks like in Wakelet. So I'm just going to share another screen. So this is my Wakelet. One second. I have logged in before. Just let me log out and then I can show you. I'll just log out. Yeah, I have logged out from Wakelet, and then this is the Wakelet, is wakelet.com. You can see is it's a content management platform, and you can create your own collections. You can see all the signs like Spotify, Wikipedia's, then YouTube's, National Geographies, BBC News, Google Maps. So all the apps are um, embedded, or all the apps can go together. You can link all the apps in Wakelet very well. And here in this you can see the login. If you can sign up, it's completely free platform. So for signing up you you should have your email address and the passwords, and then you can sign up. Once you are signing up, you can log in your Wakelet. And here you can see enter code. For example, this is using whenever you are giving any project to your students, and then if your students are below 13, and then if your school didn't give you permission to create an account for the students, then you can create a code for your students, and then that code the students will enter over there, and then they can join the project that you have created already. So in this way your student do not need to create any account, but they can use the Wakelet platform, and the assignments you have given or the research project you have given them, they can work on that. Okay, so moving forward, you can see this is online, is an online infinity, is online platform, and there are infinite possibilities. You can do whatever the way you want to use the Wakelet, you can use it. So here are some of the examples, some of the good examples of Wakelet, how you can use the Wakelet. For example, this is the recipes to try in March. So the creator has given a picture of fruits and vegetables, and then a bit of, I don't know why it's not going. So a bit of means like vegetables is a bit of descriptions, and here you can see the creator has linked some of the foods, like he or she has, it's she I think, yeah, Ellie. She has taken some of the food recipes from BBC Good Foods, Awesome House, and Garden. Sorry. So it's all linked, and here you can see she has added a video. So this is the examples, and how now I'm going to show you a few examples, like how the research projects will look like. For examples, you are giving a research project to your students. For example, Emily Parker, she has created this collection, marine biology, biology of Galapagos Islands. So this is the research project, and now she has created like this. She has written something about Galapagos Island, and then here she has inserted Google Maps.
Sania one manaka kawan waonge jati chisani. Waonge jati chipokwa yudo koro ina maana nicha nwasa chako manyo niche ngat moro nyusoni nyalo yudo.
Again, someone is talking. So, and then if I scroll down, she has put she has put a picture of marine iguana. So like this is the YouTube video. So like this way she has created the collection. So next I am going to the portfolio, how you can make the portfolio. This is the example of a portfolio. One second. Rupa has created this portfolio, and then She has inserted a link, a video, YouTube video. She has inserted a Twitter work, and then so like this way you can make any of your portfolio. So these are one of the examples. I'll be showing you collaboration, how you can collaborate. So this person has create a collaborative collection. So this is the office party playlist, and you can see 23 items are there, and then add your favorite songs below. So everyone is adding their favorite song over here. So if you share these links with you, for example, you are creating a office party playlist, and then you want that your friend should contribute in this playlist, then you can share the link with any of your friends, and then they will be able to contribute in the collection that you have created. So in this way you can make a collaborative collection for your friends, for your students, and whatever you wish to do. Next is coming CVs and resume. So I'll be showing you how you can make CVs. So this is the examples of class monthly newsletter. Here you can see the 14 items are there, and then if you really liked this case to class 7A, you can follow them. You can save this newsletter for your future use to see as a template. You can share this newsletter to with your class, to your students, teachers, or anyone of, and you can copy the collections as well. So if I scroll down, this is class monthly newsletter, and here you can see that these are the things they have mentioned over here: important dates and events, the class resources. They have created the class resources. It's a video, and then they have posted it. So in this way you can make different collections, and as I say, it's infinite possibilities. There are no boundaries that how you will be creating the collection is up to you, how you are going to create it. So I will be back to my presentation again. So my next slides is what is the advantages of using Wakelet, why we will be using Wakelet. First is collaborate and share. This is the one platform you can collaborate with your students, we can collaborate with teachers, you can collaborate with parents, you can collaborate with others members of your school, you can collaborate with your friends, and it's very easy to share as well. So you just need to share the link with others, and then you can share in different social medias, like you can share in Facebook, you can share in Twitter, you can share in Instagram, you can share these links with the email. So it's a very user-friendly platform. So that's why first advantage is you can collaborate with others and then share it very quickly. Number two, this is accessible and inclusive. What does this means? As I mentioned, this is very easily accessible, is very easy to learn, and I will show you afterwards in Wakelet. When I will go to my Wakelet account, I will show you. Wakelet can be used in different language. It's not only you is not only means like if you speak different language, or for example your student speaks different language instead of English, you can easily convert that language to different language. um, so um, it's not about this platform is built up with English. It's different, I think. They have, I'm not sure, but they have 50 to 60 others languages inbuilt in Wakelet. So if your student don't know English, or if your student know any other language, they can quickly translate the content to their own language or own to their mother tongue. So that's why it's accessible and inclusive. You can create virtual classrooms. That's why I have told you before that in Wakelet, you can make a group project. You can make a project and invite your student to participate in that project. So it's just like a classroom, but you are maintaining this classroom virtually. So it's very easy platform, and then different way to encourage students, or different way you can motivate students for their project work or for their um, learning different subjects. So this is a great platform for creating virtual classrooms as well.
àwọn wọ́n ṣàfẹ́ kọ́ wa ní kọ́lá gbogbo digital whatever tá a need as teachers. So mo ní video.
Next is a seamless integration with your favorite tools. So as I showed you before, you can integrate any of the tools like Google Maps, Google Classrooms, Teams, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, any of the digital platform you can easily integrate with Wakelet. So and it's very seamless. It's very easy to integrate different platform into Wakelet. It's just a click of touch. Next is this platform is full and flexibility and full of control. How it's like, we all are of copyright issues. So whenever we are searching something, for example, if we are searching any picture on Google, there will be, and if someone is copy and pasting, there will be a issue of copyright. Here, I will show you afterwards as well more clearly. In the collection, you can give permission to someone to copy your collection. You can allow you. It's up to you that whether you are allowing someone to copy your collections or not. If you are allowing someone, means like every other person can copy your collections without any copyright issue. So that's why it's full, it's flexibility, and is full of control. The control is in your hand, whether you are allowing anyone to copy your collections or not. If you are giving them the permission, then it's it's not a copyrighted issue, because you have created the collection, and then you are allowing somebody to copy your collection. So that's why it's a great platform, and it's unlimited. You can make anything, you can make whatever you wished, whatever you can imagine, you can make in Wakelet. Wakelet can be used in different purpose. It can be used in education, it can be used in social purpose. So that's why the opportunities are unlimited, and then it's completely free of cost. So that makes a great platform, just like Wakelet. I will be sharing my screen again. So next is I'll be teaching you practically how Wakelet works, how to sign in, and how to create content. And then I will be showing you some of the examples as well. Uh, that will give you an idea how you can create the Wakelet, or how you can use your Wakelet content in different purposes. So I'm just escaping. Uh, so here I'm logging into my account.
Shampa,
Yeah,
can you hear me?
yeah.
I want to make some what's it gonna, please, if you have access to your phone,
Sorry,
if
I
you have
didn't.
access,
I have access to phone. Yeah, phone. Hello.
can you hear me?
Yeah.
I said
can.
if they have access to their system or phone, they can also join in. Please, if you have access to, I'm talking to the participants. Did you get my point?
No, I didn't.
I'm talking to the participants that if they have their phone or gadgets on, they can log on to wakelet.com and follow the process.
Yeah. So yeah, I can give you some time. If you go to wakelet.com, and then you can follow the procedure that I am showing at the moment. So everyone should go to wakelet.com. Wakelet.com, and then they need to sign up first. If you don't have, if you didn't sign up before, so you can sign up now. I have signed up already, that's why. So you need your email address, so always sign up with your email. Don't sign up with Google or Microsoft or Facebook or anything. Is better, is secure if you are signing up with your email address. So be ready with your email address and the password you are going to use in Wakelet. So I'm going to give you 5 minutes time. Is it enough? 5 minutes time, Emerald? If you can say the 5 minutes time is enough. I'm going to give you 5 minutes time.
I hope everyone is following.
Please let me know if they are ready, then I can log in.
Please, if you are following, please put it in the comment box. Put it in the comment box that you are following, that you are doing it as I said. We want you to get it. Put it in the comment box, please. Shampa, can you hear me very well?
Yeah, yeah.
And there's no echo. Is
No
it
echo.
clear?
No echo is there.
Okay, perfect. Okay, that's fine. Champa,
Yeah.
you can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I think okay, people are following.
Yeah. I'll give them couple of minutes more.
Okay.
Let's see.
Okay. Champa,
Yeah.
okay. If they are true, they can signify.
Should I log into my account? Okay. I think people are still logging. I think I should log in now. So I'm logging in with my email address. So I have signed in with my Gmail address. So I'm just putting my
You can log in. Yeah.
Videos, backlog videos, man.
I think people have logged in their Wakelet account. So let me log in now.
Okay, I think you can log in now.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
I'm logging into my account now.
Okay.
So this is my account. Show you. So this is like my profile. If somebody see from outside, they will see this page, my name and little bit description, and the whatever collection I have shared in public place, that will only be showing over here. You will not be able to see any other collections I have made. So this is the page everyone can see. Whereas if I come to my home, there are lots of other collections I have made that I haven't shared with public. So I will start from here. You can see that 27, I am following 27, and then 23 followers. So, and then I have collections, 11 collections I have at the moment. I have bookmark 3, and then I don't have any group collection. So this is showing over here. You can create, see here, you can create a joining space. So I can create a joining space and name it, and then create, and then everyone can contribute in that space. It's very great way whenever you are doing a joint project or joint collection. So that's there. here I will be showing something. 1 second. Here you can see the search. You can search anything, any topic or anything. If you want to see some examples of what Wakelet, how they are making, then it's a great space to have a look. For examples, I'm looking World War II. And then if I put enter, then I can see some of the collections already someone has made. So if I want to check that how they have made it, then I can just view the collection. So if I scroll down, then I can see, for example, here, that's the button I was talking about before, that if any student struggles to read English, here is the button, here is for listening. So I'm just going to play this one. And then I play
Holocaust Project.
So this is the way, it's a great way, means if anyone, any students, they are struggling to read English, then this is a great way they can follow the reading.
When did World War II take place? On September 1st, 1939, Hitler invaded Poland, and then France and Britain declared war on Germany.
And then it's up to them, like if they want to listen one more time, they can play the play button again and again. Here is grammar options. So it's like noun, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. You can label it. Reading preference, how you want to read. And then here I was talking about the translate the language, choose the language. For example, your student is a very low reader in English, and then he need to see something in his mother tongue as well. So if I choose any language, let me scroll down. See here, Chinese, Cantonese, Bulgarian. I can see lots of Danish, English Australia, English Canada, Ireland, English United Kingdom, English United States, Filipino, French, so German. Let me choose, which one should I choose? Let me choose German. So if I click German, and then this will,
When did World War II?
1 second. So you can just 1 second. This is the one. It should translate. Let me find out. Yeah, it has translated into German now. So like this way, you can change to any language. For example, I'm changing to Greek, and then the document has changed to Greek language. And then if you play,
Πότε έγινε ο Δεύτερος Παγκόσμιος Πόλεμος? Την πρώτη ημέρα του Σεπτεμβρίου 1939, ο Χίτλερ εισέβαλε στην Πολωνία και από τη Γαλλία και η Βρετανία κήρυξαν πόλεμο στη Γερμανία.
it is saying that language only. So that's why it's really great for the students in terms of literacy. You can see the collections, you can like any one of these. And then if you click this one, if you want to find out more about, then you can go and you can see what is there. And Again, you can save this one. You can have a reading mode. For example, if I choose the reading mode, see here, the reading mode is on, and then you can read, and then if you click this one and then play, it
June
will
9th,
start to.
1943. George Bush was commissioned as an ensign in the U.S. Naval Reserve at Corpus Christi.
So this way it will work. So I'm scrolling down. You can add, you can make it bigger. See, it was, the map was big. See, this is coming, so it makes it bigger. And then if you scroll down, you can add some questions to ask to the students as well. So like this way, you can make your lesson plan, and you can ask students some questions as well. So if you are making any lesson plan and if you are not sure, you want to see some examples, then always you use the search button. Next is coming explore. So if you want to see what is popular on Wakelet, then you need to place this, you need to click this explore, and then you can see some of the popular Wakelet collection. This is the collection, popular collection. If I see this one, Pride month, because June is a Pride month. And then we can see here, Jordan Freeman, he has created this collection, and it's contained 28 items, and someone has liked it, loved it, and give to 100%. And then you can save this whole collection as a bookmark. You can share with your friends, teachers, and then you can export this collection as PDF as well. So if I scroll down, then I can see the collection. Here, some of the links are there. So this is the explore. And classroom, if you are creating any classroom, for example, here you need to create classroom, and then you can create Google Classroom, or if you want to create Microsoft Teams, then you can create, you can integrate with YouTube, Twitter, and Flash video, Jiffy. So you can create all of this. So if you want to create any virtual classroom, just you need to create here, you need to click create classroom, and then whatever way you want to create your classroom, you can create. I will be coming to home. So this is my home area. I have created collection. So these are my collections, and I will be showing that. And here is this page I have showed you before. This one is from outside, how people see my profile. So this one, and then this ring is, this bell is for notification. If any notification comes, then you can click and see the notification. As of now, I don't have any notification. And this 3 dots means you can view your profile, public profile. So this is my public profile. You can view your space, your account setting, you can switch to another account, and you can log off. So I'll be coming to home, and then I will be showing some of the collections. So this one I'll be showing first. This is empowering students with smart technologies. I have created this collection, and it has 21 items and 32 views. Someone has liked my collection. So I'm going scrolling down, and then this is my collections. So I have linked all of these as well. I have given a picture. So this is my one of the collection. Okay, so recently I have created this collection, my CPD. So whatever the training I have done at the moment, I have collected together, and then I have created this link. And then I'm just going to show you how to add picture in this collection. So this is all the CPDs, means the continuous professional development I have done, all the training courses I have done. And here you can see the title of the webinar and the institution from where I have done this and the date I have. And then these collections I haven't shared with anyone because this is my personal collection, and I don't want that everyone will see this collection. What I will be doing whenever I will be going for any interview, or whenever I'm applying for any position, then I will be sharing this with my future employer. So this is the way you can just share the links, and you can collect all your informations, like whatever you're doing, your educational qualifications, your training, or whatever you have done, you can keep it together. So just give you a minute, I will be showing you here. You can, this is the setting, you can copy collection, you can move this collection to different spaces. For example, I can move it to my space. I can export it as a PDF version. The activity and data means like how many people are looking to my collections, and what is the statistics, like how many how many views I am getting in a week or in a month or in a year. So that's the activity and data. And then you can delete collection if you don't want, then you can delete collection. And then this is the area that allow copy collection. So if you click this one, then means I am giving opportunity, or I am giving permission to others to copy my collection. So if you don't want, then you don't click this one. So these the setting. This is the view how you want to see your collections. For examples, I have done this media view. This is the media I have done. If I want to see my collection as a compact view, I'll just say this one, and then the layout, it will be changed to compact. Just 1 second. Yeah, this is the grid I am turning. So mine is already compact. Media is not showing me over here because I haven't attached any media over here. That's why it's not showing media view. So this is the grid view. See here, it has changed. This is the grid view. I'll show you the compact. So this is the compact view, how I want to see my collection. This is mood board. So you can see, you can change your arrangement of your collection. If you want to see it's in a column, then you can add column as well. So it's just like that way. You can do it. So you can add cover image as well. So I'm just going to show you how to add cover image. So if I click add cover image, you can upload an image from your computer. You can choose from Jiffy. You can choose from library. Okay, so first I'm going to show upload an image. So I'm just going Google and then typing professional development. And then I'm going to choose one picture. For example, I liked this one. So I'm just saving this image. I'm saving this image in my downloads and then save it. So I'm just coming back to Wakelet and then I want to do a cover image. So upload an image and then I'm going to downloads. So it's not showing me till now. Yeah, professional development. So here is the picture and then I save it. So here you can see the picture is there. If you have any question, then you can type it in the chat box. I will reply you afterwards. So you can edit, you can delete your cover. I'll be showing you. I'm deleting this one because I want to show you one more thing. Add a cover image, choose a Jiffy. If I choose a Jiffy, then you can choose, for example, this one I'm choosing. So see, it's changed. And then if I want to edit, I can edit, or if I want to delete, I can delete it. And then number 3, you can choose from the library. They have some inbuilt library. So I'm choosing, let me see whether I can get any picture of development. I'm not sure whether I will get. Yes, I got some of the picture. So let me see if I try professional development. Professional development. For example, I am choosing this one. See, it has changed over here. So in this way, you can change your cover image. You can make it half full and half. This is half. This is full. So this is the full size. And if I make it half, then it will look like this. And then I can add a background image as well. And the same way, I can upload an image from my computer, or I can choose from gallery. Again, I'm just going to type professional development. Let me try development. I like this one. And then if I change, let me do it one more. Yeah. See, my cover page is there. So this is the way you can change it, your background image and your cover page. And if you don't like, you can delete it. So I'm removing. See here, I don't have any background image. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you, if everyone is ready, then I'm going to show you how to create a new collection. So Okay, search and create collection. Search is here on the right hand side. Search. If you type anything, I have typed World War II here and then put enter. So here is the collection coming. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how to create collection. So here, if I click create new collection, then it will come over here, and then I can name the collection. For example, I'm making a reading list. Reading list. 1 second, it's a bit slow. So I'm making a reading list for my student. I can add a short description. This reading list will help in your history topic World War II. So I have added a short description. Please type in if you cannot follow, or if you want me to slow down a bit, then I can do it. So first I have showed you need to click the create collection, and then you can start your collection. So I am making a reading list for my student. It's a history topic, and then I want my student to do research on World War II. And here you can see paste any web address. If you want, you can paste any web address over here. If you want to add any text, you just add text, and once it's done, just do it. If you want to add any image, you can click, you can bookmark. You can upload any PDF. For example, you can upload any maps, and then you can integrate any of the social media platform over here. So let me go to Google and write something about World War II. For example, I can see first Wikipedia is there. I can see Britannica, World War II history.com. So I have clicked this one. I'm going over there. Here I can see some of the examples, some of the facts about World War II, and then I want my students to read. So what I will be doing, I'll copy this link, and then I will be pasting it over here. So you can see it has come already. Okay, so I can see in the chat somebody has joined a bit late. and he or she cannot follow what I am doing at the moment. So I'm just briefly overviewing that I am teaching Wakelet at the moment. You can sign up. You can go to wakelet.com. If you see the chats before, then you can go to wakelet.com and then sign up with your email address and passwords. And what I am doing at the moment, I am practically showing how to create collection in Wakelet. So you just keep following what I am doing at the moment, and then by the time you can sign in, to Wakelet. So I am just following this. I am showing you one more time. I'm going to home to create a new collection. Here you will be seeing always create a new collection. So you just need to click on that. Here I have already created. I was just showing, this is my demo collection. I was showing this one, reading list. I'll just click this one and then continue to build up my collection. Next, this one, first I have shown you how to copy and paste any website. I'm going to show you one more time the website, how to copy and paste. This is history.com, and then I want to ask my student to read about outbreak of World War II. So this one, I can copy this website. I'm just copying this website and then simply paste any web address. I am pasting here. So you can see this one has come up already. Next, I'm going to show you how to add a text. So here you will be adding text. Let me see. For example, you are asking your student some questions. For example, this one. What was the cause of World War II? You are asking student this question. So you will be typing just question, and then you can make it bold. See here, I'm making it bold. You can make it italics, as underline, is heading H1 or H2, whichever format you like. You can make it a bullet point. And then this is center, this is the alignment of your text. And here also you can put any link. For example, you have asked your students what was the cause of World War II, and here is the answer. So you can do what you can do. You can copy this link and then link it over here. One second. It's just not responding. Because I'm sharing screen, so that's why sometimes I'm getting problem. So let me see, done. You can edit it anytime. See here, after doing this one, I'm getting a editing button. Let me try this time. No, still not, it's not working. Because I have made it underline, that's why probably. So I'm not sure, I'll be showing you next. So you are asking some questions to your students. So this I have showed you already. One more time, I'm just going to show you. You are asking some question to your student. For example, what countries fought in World War II? So I'm just copying this one and then just asking this question to my students. And then here is the link of the address. If I go there, then if I paste this, add link, and then done. So here you can see, I have asked my students, let me edit this one, make it bold. I have asked my students that what countries fought in World War II. And here is the link. They can go to that link and find out the answer. So still now, do you have any question? Then I can move forward. If you have any question, please keep typing. So next I will be showing you how to add image. So here again, you can see you can upload image from your computer. You can use Giphy or you can choose from the library. Okay. So for example, it will be easier for me to find out from the library if I am choosing to. I'm not getting that picture. I'm not, see here, I can choose this one. Or I can choose this one, or here, this one. So if I choose the picture, see here, the picture is here. Again, I'm just showing you picture. So I'm uploading from the computer. 1 second. Let me save any picture. See this one. This is the map. And then I am saving this image. So I have saved it already. So I'm adding the map at the moment. I'm going to image, upload an image and World War II map. See here the map I am getting. Okay, so someone has joined late and then he or she is asking me which app I am using. So I'm using Wakelet. Wakelet. And if you go to wakelet.com, and then you can sign up with your email address and password. Is completely free. So here I have attached a map. Next, I'm going to show you. I have showed text. I have showed image. If you want, then you can make it bookmark and then you can use it afterwards. PDF, you can upload any PDF. For example, if I if I have any PDF in my computer, then you can upload it. Now I'm going to show you in a video how you can insert a video. So I'm just going to YouTube, and then I'm searching World War documentary, and this one, World War II Nazi blueprint. For example, I am choosing this one, and what I will be doing, I'll be copying this link, and then I'll be pasting it over here. So you can see the video has come up already. So in this way, you can add your collection, whatever way you want to. And then next is, if you want to get any twists, so YouTube also, you do not need to go to there. You can just type over here and then choose any video, for example, to you want to add this one, then just add it. If I want to get anything from my OneDrive or Google Drive, if I have any information or any PDF, then I can just click and sign into my Google account, Google Drive, and then insert the document. If you want to tweet, if you want to get anything about Twitter, for example, add from Twitter. So I need to connect to the Twitter. So you need to connect to the Twitter, and then you can add some of these over there. So let me check. Okay, so someone has wanted to create a successful workshop. One second. Successful workshop and classes and get people to attend. Okay, so for that, for online classes, you should have Zoom. You should have Zoom app, and if you want to arrange a workshop, just like webinar I am doing at the moment, you can create your content in Wakelet, and there are different apps are there. For example, Adobe Spark, Canva, Wakelet. These are the tools you can use it for creating your content, and then you need Zoom for your students or your colleagues or your friends to attend, and then you can share your workshops or webinar with your attendees. So this way you can use. So Wakelet is the content managing platform. If you want to create any workshop or classes, then you need to you need to download Zoom app, and then you need to create content by using others apps such as Wakelet, as I told, or Canva or Adobe Spark. So hope I have given you an answer. So in this collections, I have 8 items. and this collection is only me. I can't share, I can see this collection here. If I am allowing somebody to copy my collection, then this is the button. I can export it as a PDF. I can copy this collection and then use it for different purpose. I can move this collection to my spaces. Uh, you don't have any space at the moment to move this collection. Create a new space. So I need to create a new space for that, and then only I can move it. And then yes, you can share. For example, here I am sharing. It could be private, it could be public, so it's up to you. If you want to keep this collection as a private or as a public. For example, the CPD, the continuous professional development, the collections I have created, that I have kept private. I didn't want it to share with public, but these collections I can share with public. Then you can copy the link, or you can create the QR code, and this link you can share in Teams or Classroom or Facebook or Twitter. So you just need to copy. It's copied, and then you go to Facebook or your Google Classroom or wherever you want to share your collection. You can share it. You can invite collaboration. For example, you want this project will be this project, you want your students to participate and make a collection. So you can copy this link. You can copy the code as well. You can copy the QR code, and then you copy this link, and then send it to Google Classroom or Teams, to ask your student to participate. Or you can invite, for example, you can search by people name. If you have any friend or anyone, then you can search people name, and then you can ask to invite. Let me see whether I can. Not this one. Second, let me see. Emily, if I type Emily, share, and then invite collaboration. Let me see. Emily, because I don't have. See, Elizabeth Hutchinson. She is my follower, one of the followers. So if I click her, and then I can invite her to participate in this collection. So if you let me see the question. Okay. If you have any question, please keep chatting on. Then by the time I will be answering your question. So if you have any doubts or any questions to ask, then please drop a question in the chat box. And
Grandpa,
yeah.
I asked a question. Did you get my question?
Yeah, tell me which question.
I was saying that what if you don't want to go through Google? You want to go through application. Can the application work?
Which application?
Wakelet application, or does it not have application?
No, this is the Wakelet one. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you can create. No, I got you. Like you can create your collection in Wakelet. For example, I'm showing you. For example, this one is the collection. I'm just going to copy this link address, and then I'm combining over here, for example. So can you see there? So I'm copying one of my collection and then pasting is another collection. Like this you can do as well. So I'm just deleting this one. You can move this collection to top, bottom. I'll be showing you. For example, this I just want to put it down. So drag just, and then wherever you want, you can put it. So I just want it at the very bottom. So this is the bottom, and then I'll just put it. You can edit, you can move, you can delete, you can save, and you can make it in read mode. So for example, if you are writing something, for example, this one, the questions, you can make it in reading mode, and then immersive reader. So if you play,
What was the cause of World War II?
so this way you can change your collections depending on your need, depending on your student needs. So yeah, I think I have covered most of the topics. Let me so you can change to different mode, how you want to see your reading list, means like your collection. You can change the mode. This is mode board, so you can change it, and you can add cover. For example, I'm choosing from library. I'm taking this image. So here you can see this is my cover page, and I'm going to add a background image as well. So I'm choosing from the library. So I'm just choosing, I'm choosing this one. So it will come as a background. It's taking a bit time. Let me see. Still it didn't come. So it's just taking time to load. Yeah, it's now. So I have done my cover image. I have done the background image. And then here is my collection. I can share these collections with anybody in classrooms or Facebook. So these are the areas you can directly send the link, or if you want to send through email, then just copy the link and then go to your email and then paste the link. It will work that way as well. So you can invite, as I said, you can invite somebody to collaborate in your collection. I'll be coming to my home page as well. So one more interesting thing I just want to show you. I have attended webinar. I was a speaker in a webinar that is EduCamp, Cardigan Camp in USA. And then that webinar was very popular. And then everyone has tweeted about me or my webinar and the things I have showed. So I have collected all the comments from Twitter. Here you can see all the comments from Twitter, and then I made it a collection that it was really successful. And then I gathered all the comments from Twitter, and then I just made it a collection. And then if I need in future to show any of my future employer or anywhere, like how successful was this webinar, I got a good feedback, then I can share this with anyone. So that's why I have told you it's endless opportunities, is up to you what collections you want to make, and then share with your uh, friends, students, or anyone. Okay, so I have showed almost everything in Wakelet.
Sorry, Joe, I come and move that plate from.
I will be sharing some of,
Oh, yeah,
I'll be
fast, fast,
sharing
fast.
my last slide
Bring it in.
over here.
Bring it here.
And
You run it
then
and get ready.
if you want any further tutorial on Wakelet, there are lots of tutorials available over the internet. So these are my chosen ones. This first one is neweditaclassroom.com. So if you go to that website, you will be able to learn more about
You see
Wakelet.
that side, that cousin side.
Another website is there, teachers.teach. If you go over there, then you'll be able to learn more about Wakelet. Even if you search in YouTube how to use Wakelet or more tutorial on Wakelet, then you will be able to find out. So here is the end of my presentation. So I will be taking a couple of questions before I hang up. So if you have any question, then you can ask me. If you have any question, then I'll be, if you have any question, then you can ask me. I'll be, it's almost, it's just 1.5 hours, so I can spend a bit more.
Good evening, Miss.
Ask
Good
your
evening, madam.
question.
Good evening, madam.
Link to the tutorial in the chat box. Yes, definitely. I am putting the link in the chat box. Yes, that I am going to do now.
Madam, good evening. Good evening.
Good evening. Onolapo.
I'm just putting the link.
Shampa.
Yeah.
Okay. To ask question now, what we are going to do is, we will request that people raise up their hands. So if you have question, we just want to take few of them.
Yeah, few of them.
Please kindly raise up your hand. If you have question, kindly
if you
raise
have
up
a
your hand.
question, yeah.
Let's have 1 or 2 or 3 questions.
I'm putting the links in the chat box.
Please, how many persons have question?
2 or 3.
Okay. 1, that's Olusegun. Do we have another person that have question? After him, I will take another question.
So I have sent the links in the chat box. Let me go over there.
Okay.
I'll just,
Olusegun, go ahead with your question.
I will stop share my screen.
Good evening.
And I'll, yeah.
Good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Yes, please, although I joined a bit late, but from what I gained from your explanation, yes, it's like Wakelet is used to create collections and share to wherever you are taking it to, or can we share with students from that Wakelet app. Is it possible to share, or we take it to
Yeah,
where you want
you can,
to take it?
yes. Whatever the collections you are making, you can share with your students, your teachers, and everywhere. And if your school is not allowing, because there is a rule, below 13, they cannot sign up. So you can create a code and then share with your students, and then your students will be able to join in your collection that you are making, and they do not need to create the account. So if it is below 13, without creating account also, you can ask your student to use the Wakelet. Yeah, everyone can use it.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I've downloaded the Wakelet applications, but I've not checked how to go about it. When I check, I don't know whether I can get all your explanation there, but I will try it, Sha. So
yeah. In the chat box, I have given some of the tutorial links already.
Okay.
So if you see, if you go to that links, and then you will be able to learn a lot in Wakelet. And then if you simply type Wakelet tutorial in Google or in YouTube, you will get lots of tutorials. So hopefully from there you will be able to learn it.
Okay, thank you, madam.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. Shampa.
Yeah.
Someone is asking, can you show us how those collaborated can work on the collection?
Yeah, I have showed already. So whenever you are sharing the collection, there are two options. You are sharing with the public, or you are asking to collaborate to someone. So there are some button is there, means like if you click collaborate the collection, and if you invite your students or your friends, they will be able to get the links, and then it will be a collaborative collection.
Okay. Do we have any other question? Hello? Hello? Okay. But I was asking if you have question now.
Yeah, if you have
Let me
question now, then
just
ask
allow,
me, please.
the last person, Junior, okay.
Yeah, for me, I just came in and I've been facing some, difficulty when it comes to the network. So I don't have no question for them because I just joined in.
Okay, that's fine. If you join in now, in the chat box, you can see I have shared some of the links. You just copy and paste in, copy the link and paste in your browser, then you will be able to learn more about Wakelet. So that's why I have shared the link.
Okay, thank you so much.
No worries.
Okay. In the absence of no more questions, we'll have to bring the class to end. I hope you have learned one thing or the other, and I hope it will help you to create content, and collaborate, organize your content, and of course use it to collaborate with others. Want to really thank Shampa for teaching us tonight. She has done a great job, and then of course I hope everyone has gained one or two things or the other. So on that note, we have come to the end of today's class. If, of course, we'll put the recordings of this video will be put in on the YouTube page, so you can rewatch and then follow up again. Tomorrow, by God's grace, we are going to be learning about empathical. We're going to be learning about empathical. Like I've said yesterday when we started this program, I told us that it is not enough to learn all of these things if you are not using them. It's going to be a total waste of time.
Yeah, definitely.
If you do not use them. So why spend about 2 hours receiving lectures like this and you're not going to use it. So it doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.
So,
And it's completely free. It's completely free platform. You do not
Yes.
need to pay anything. So it's better to use it and learn new skill.
So let's do well to start making use of them. And then of course, tonight before you sleep, do well to use create a collection, if possible, create a lesson and all that stuff like that. So start something on it and then gradually begin to upgrade yourself and then ask your students to join and the like. So just make sure that you are using it very well. So thank you everyone for joining tonight. We will meet, God willing, tomorrow. Thank you, Shampa, for
Thank you, everyone. Thanks,
We really
Amaral. Thanks for the opportunity.
appreciate you. Thank you so much for your
Thank
time.
you. Have a good night, all of you.
Have a good night, everyone. We see you tomorrow.